In primetime news this evening, traumatic Tuesday. 2 students of the same school struck by vehicles in separate incidents in Clarendon.
St. Thomas residents demand government speed up plans to put JUTC buses in the parish.
And business operators hoping commercial activity returns to Boston Jerk Center soon. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, quite a bit to get through. Some Jamaicans today experienced issues accessing their online banking on payday. I know that must have been trauma for some persons. And also, BCIC to acquire JN General Insurance. So I'll have the details and your gas prices later on.
I'm glad I missed that trauma. I do not need it. And speaking, well, I was about to say, I'm speaking of trauma, but it's not trauma, it's just Jermaine Brown over there talking about what's coming up in primetime sports, and I hope it's not traumatic.
Well, actually, I know Janella spoke about speeding earlier and speeding buses, right? So, to speed, well, Shelley Fraser Price, will we see her back on the track next season? We caught up with her earlier today, so we'll tell you a bit about what's going on with her a bit later on.
That better be a good answer. It's going to be traumatic.
And it would have been nice to have remained here because I heard that it is pouring cats and dogs outside, but he will be here later in this newscast. And we will also have sports commentary and E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what concerns do you have about the way students travel to and from school daily?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.